Alrighty, good morning. We're starting our Uber trip today. So first thing first, we gotta reset our trip odometer. I'm gonna reset it so that it keeps track on how many miles. What I like to do first is to drive down to the area that I know is pretty busy most of the time. And we're not gonna go online until I know I'm close by to the area so that all the requests that we get are from that zone, and it would keep us relatively close to the spot that I want to be in. Also, one of the most important things, in my opinion, is to fill up your gas tank right before you go in online so that you don't have to stop anywhere along the route for any gas and you don't have to miss out on any trips. And at the end of the day, fill it up again so that you know exactly how much gas you spent while you were driving. And we're gonna go get gas right now. Be right back. It's a little on the chillier end of things outside, but it's bearable. So let's go online. We gotta confirm the precautions, that's why I put on a mask so that we can take a photo. Well, taking a photo would be right here. And then I don't have any COVID related symptoms. I have the wipes, I do wash my hands, and I do disinfect my car on a regular basis. And we gotta go online now, which we just did. And we already got a first delivery. Wow, that was quick. So now we are headed towards our first delivery of the day. We're picking up from Chick-fil-A. That should be a very relatively quick pickup. Not gonna be a long trip.
So for the pickup, you would go into the restaurant and they would compare the name on your app and the code to the bag that they have packed. And if they match, they would give you the bag and you're good to go.
We picked up our delivery and it's going not too far away, so we're gonna go ahead and get it delivered.
When you're dropping off, it's extremely important to know that you're in the right building. Some apartment complexes would have multiple buildings with the same numbers because there would actually be two different apartment complexes, like in this case. But other than that, after you try it for the first time, it's all the same and it's really not that hard to drop it off every single time, as you see right here.
And that right there is how you deliver an UberEats order. We got 2 more deliveries to pick up. Tap to accept both of them. Now we got 2 pickups from Olive Garden. It's right down the street. Let's go get the 2 orders. That was relatively quick. And now we're gonna go and deliver them. As you see, I have my handy dandy navigation on. There's the food. And here's my setup. I like driving a car that has Apple CarPlay because I'm an iPhone user. You can have your navigation on your separate screen from the Uber app, so you can have all your Uber stuff available to you whenever you feel like it and whenever you need it. There it is. So I'm gonna park real quick. So now we're back and it's time for us to drop off the second one. That would be our third delivery of the day, and it is 9 minutes away. Going all the way down to downtown Atlanta. Pretty long delivery. We just got another delivery before we even finished this one. It's for $239, so it's one trip. And obviously we're gonna pick it up. I'm waiting for the gate to open, but it's nice sometimes when you get to open the app and there are multiple deliveries in there. And we are through the gate. And now we're going to pick up our next one. We are getting close to the pickup location. We are picking up from McDonald's. I really never like McDonald's pickup because they tend to never actually make them until you get there. But we'll see how this one goes. That is expected with McDonald's. So now we're gonna go drop it off. It's actually a wait in car delivery.
Hello?
Hello, this is your Uber Eats delivery.
I'm coming now.
Alrighty, thank you. Alrighty, man. Have a good one. And the delivery is done. And we have two options. We can turn it off right now, or we can stay online and hope we don't get a request until I get to a good zone, which is what I'm gonna do since there is a quest available. And we just got another one, so we're gonna go pick it up. I got lucky, so it's taking me to a nicer area of the town. I'm gonna go and pick it up real quick. Got the customer's order. Let's get this delivered. This order is only 6 minutes away, so it's not too far away. So for this order, they want me to leave a door, which honestly is my favorite way of delivering because you don't have to talk to anyone. You don't have to have this awkward stage of, here you go, enjoy your order. And it's really nice. It makes everything more efficient. It makes things much faster. And everyone is happier because when I want my deliveries, I don't want to talk to no one. And I'm happy that they added this feature. And we got just 2 more deliveries. We are back. That delivery was fairly quick. So now we got 2 more pickups from Popeyes. So let's go to Popeyes. Healthy. We just got another trip delivery request for 2 more. We're almost done with dropping off the second Popeyes order. All right, let's go and drop it off real quick. Another successful delivery. Let's go pick up 2 deliveries from Jersey Mike's. Okay, we are about 5 minutes away from the pickup location, which isn't too bad. And then I just need 1 more before I can take my midday break. I'm gonna go pick it up real quick. So that was relatively quick. And now we're on the way to drop off Will first and then Reed. All these houses are real nice. One day we are here to deliver to Will. Let's go get it delivered. right, the food is delivered. And it is time for us to go and deliver the second one. That driveway is 19 degrees steep. I'm gonna go drop it off real quick. This driveway is honestly like, wow. They did say it's steep. We have almost finished the whole quest. So I just took a picture of the quest. We almost finished it. I'll put it up right here. We just need one more trip. And we just picked up one more delivery. We're gonna go pick it up, and that would bring us to our total of 10 trips for the morning. This pickup is about 6 minutes away, which isn't too bad. So since this upcoming trip is gonna bring me over the 10 trip limit that I was looking to get this morning, I'm gonna set it up to stop right now. So we're gonna go to the side, and we're gonna press this button that says stop new requests. And it's gonna pop up right around here, as you see. And there you go. Now we're just gonna have to finish that delivery, and it will automatically go offline. Picking up from Goldsberg. All right, let's go get it. All right, this pickup was good. Now we just go and drop off. This final drop off is only 10 minutes away. So we're heading that way right now. We gotta call the customer because the directions are a little unclear. So we're gonna clarify it with the customer. Hi, this is your Uber Eats delivery driver. Well, that was good. I wasn't waiting for her at some other random place. Hello. Is this for Drew?
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Yes, you do.
And just like that, that is the final delivery. For the 3 hours that I was online, currently we're sitting at $68.21.
It's been a couple of days now, and we have our final numbers in. We've earned a total of $78 during that trip, and I've used about $10 of gas, so profit is $68. As you can see it on the screen, I have a breakdown of exactly how much it was per trip and how much everybody tipped me. So a full table should be a decent way to understand how much this stuff pays. So if you like the video, please comment, like, subscribe. If you don't, you can leave me negative feedback. That would also still be helpful and greatly appreciated. And thank you for watching.